guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing 3 reasons why you should have Chrome OS and 3 reasons why you shouldn't use Chrome OS, so I hope you enjoy. If you don't already know what Chrome OS is, it is an operating system, a software on most Chromebooks and Pixelbooks, just like the one I'm using right now, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications to never miss one of my amazing uploads. Thank you guys so much for 305 subscribers. We are over the limit. Our next goal is 400 subscribers. So if you're not ready, just smash the subscribe button. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first reason why you should use Chrome OS is it's speedy. The focus of Chrome OS is speed and simplicity. Users should expect everything from booting to loading web pages to be much snappier than today's PCs. The system boots in about 7 seconds. Impressive. And when it does, it puts users right in the browser. Google also claims that sleeping Chromebooks will wake up in under a second. I think that's very, very cool, guys. All the gaming PCs today, you basically hold the power button. It takes 5 whole minutes for Windows 10 to load up all your stuff. But this is under a second. Great job, Chrome OS. The second thing why you should use Chrome OS is all applications are web-based. Chrome OS is essentially a browser. Users will have to rely on web apps for everything they do with their Chromebooks. However, since there is still times when people need to use their machines when not connecting to the operating system, we'll cache data to the local drive when needed. So that's really useful. You can just use it whenever you want. So yeah, guys, you should go check this out. Download Chrome OS on your computer if you haven't already. Now let's get into the third reason why you should use Chrome OS. Alright guys, so the third reason why you should use Chrome OS is not only are your apps synced and stored in the cloud, so is all your data. Every document, IM, chat, picture, song, or any piece of information you download, access, or create will become part of the cloud of data that makes up Chrome OS environment, including personalization and settings such as store Wi-Fi networks will be encrypted. So this is really useful. Let's say you're upgrading your Chromebook, all your browser extensions, everything, your browser look, your background, all your apps will just automatically download once you if you get into factory default and log back in, everything will be the same as it was, which I think this is a really useful feature that Chrome OS that I feel like every PC should have. So yeah, guys, let's get into the first reason why you shouldn't use Chrome OS. Alright guys, so number 1 is gaming. Gaming on Chromebooks suck. You can't download high-profile PC games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and many more. Sure, there's browser-based games and Android apps from the Play Store, but that's pretty much it. So if you're a gamer, stay away from Chrome OS. Now let's get into number 2, why you shouldn't use Chrome OS. Alright guys, so the second reason why you shouldn't use Chrome OS is software incompatibilities. Though Chrome OS may not run the software that you need if you are working from home or tackling a software-based project, it's highly unlikely that your Chromebook will work with it. So if you have like a software project, I don't know, there's a ton of different softwares out there, but a majority of them do not work with Chromebooks, which kind of sucks. So if you're using a lot of software projects, creating stuff with software, stay away from Chrome OS. And now let's get into the final thing, why you shouldn't use Chrome OS. Alright guys, so the final reason why you shouldn't use Chrome OS is the lack of customization. The only allowable customization on the Chromebook is the ability to change the wallpaper and change the wallpaper theme for the Chrome web browser. Is it just me, or does everyone like customizing their PC to their liking? I know Windows has a ton of customization options that people love. So yeah, guys, you should if you stay away from Chrome OS if you really like customizing your computer, PC, whatever you'd like to call it. So yeah, guys, stick with Windows if you like customization and you can't live without your customization. But if you can, this Chrome OS is okay for you. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out, comment down below you subscribe, and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. And if you subscribe to my channel, one of these shout outs will be you guys on the screen, so I hope you enjoy. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.
With